Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my overall account size value. As you can see here, I finally cleared over $95,000 in my account. So my current net liquid for my account here is $95,189.91. Just absolutely crazy. As you can see here today, I actually cleared $259.18. I made a video about it previously, so you can check that out. I can link it in the description. But all I can tell you, I'm super happy. I'm super proud of myself for, keep persisting and making these daily goals and these monthly goals, as well as these overall goal as per se. So before I started, I started the year at like 60k, and then I set my next goal for 65, and then 70, 75, until I got up until this point here. So I'm just really happy to share that with you guys. And yeah, the main takeaway is you got to be patient, you got to be persistent. Also, you can't be afraid to take losses, because as you can see, I also post my losses as well as my green days. So, and also another thing is you have to understand that even on a green day, it's fine to make money, but what really matters is all about the process. It's really all about the process and not the profit. So as long as whenever you enter a trade, you can actually stick to the plan, whether it's cutting your losses as soon as you feel that tension coming on, making sure you have a plan that once you do set that losses, you do cut it, and you don't just stay by just watching your losses just keep going down, as well as your gains. Just make sure you set a plan for your gains as well, for all your profits. So that's what I usually do. In the beginning, I made sure, and I started for my profits, I usually started with like $20 a day, and then as soon as I got used to it, and I bumped it up again to like $50, and then from $50 to $100. Now I'm still in the range of $100 to like $150, $200 range, but mostly it just depends on the day and how the market reacts and how it overlooks. So I'm really happy to share that with you guys. I'm just it's been a long time coming. So my next set goal target will be 100,000, so 100k, and that's going to be 6 figures, and that's going to be a really huge milestone for me. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. But in the meantime, just keep checking out my videos. Hopefully you can learn something from that. Make sure you take your time. If you are currently a day trader, make sure you understand that once you put yourself out there, you are at risk. So don't trade with your full account size. I usually don't trade with my full account size at all. Amazon, I stick to 1 or 2 stocks or so. Make sure you also do that, and that usually helps out. But yeah, I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time, so I just want to say, finally hit my goal. Happy to share that. Hopefully you like this video. If you like it, smash that like button, the thumbs up, the notification, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.